Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pepper joins us yet again. Yep, and she is very excited and very energetic. She just woke up from a nap. So anyway, today I am doing a video that I've been wanting to do since I started my channel, and that is a what's in my purse video. I enjoy watching it when other people make these kinds of videos, so I hope that you guys enjoy it too. So this is what my purse looks like. It is a Vera Bradley tote bag that I got at a resale shop for $10, which is a really good price for this humongous bag. And I like it so much because it's got all these pockets and it's so big I can carry a ton of stuff. So first off, I just have this water bottle that I carry in the side pocket. And I actually got this also at the same resale shop. And it used to have writing on it, but it started to scratch off, so I just scratched all of it off. And I really like how it looks plain blue. So I just put this in the side pocket and it fits really great in there. Then in the front pocket I have this pouch that I got at a garage sale for I think 50 cents or $1. And inside of that I have some Finding Dory Kleenexes. I like the flat ones because they're very compact. Then I have a compact mirror, and I don't really know where I got this, but I always carry it. Then I have one of these combs, and I always carry a comb. I used to carry a brush, but those can get pretty bulky when you're carrying them around in your purse, so I just have this flat comb that I use. And then in this envelope is where I have like first aid kind of stuff, like band-aids and alcohol swabs and cotton swabs and stuff like that. So, and that all goes in the front pocket right there. Then in the side pocket I have all of like my smaller purse items, and this little pouch that came from Target, I think, for like a few dollars. So, and it says, I like it because it says be your beautiful self. I don't know if you can see it, but it says be your beautiful self right there. So that's kind of cool. So anyway, inside of there I just have medicines that I carry around that is in this little container that I think push pins came in. So it's actually a really good size to put all your pills in. So I have that, and then I also have this lip gloss, which if you guys watch my videos then you know that I don't actually wear makeup, but I got this the other day at Walmart because, I don't know, I guess I thought I would wear it, but I don't. And then I have these toothpickers, and I have a little sewing kit that I got at an estate sale or a garage sale for like 50 cents, I think. Then I always carry around this little raspberry Shopkin because I just think it's adorable. And I don't know, I just like to carry it around. Then I have my lip balm in this little container, so be sure to watch my video on how to make this if you have not seen that one already. And then I have my inhaler because I have asthma. And I have these little folding scissors that I got, I think, for a few cents at an estate sale. So I have those, and then I have some salt in this container that came from Hobby Lobby. You might wonder why I carry salt around in my purse, and the reason is because usually if I have a headache, or sometimes when I have a headache, is because I haven't had enough salt. So I always carry it around in case I get a headache or something. So I have that, and then I have, my triamcinolone that I carry around because I do have eczema as well. So I always have to have this. And then I have some earplugs in case, you know, there's something loud and I need some earplugs. And I also have a ponytail deal and a bobby pin in there. And then I have some Altoids. So that is all that goes in this pouch, and I usually put this one on the side pocket right there. So, yep. And then inside my purse looks like this. I carry a ton of stuff in my bags with me. So first off I have, oh my goodness, my notebook got a little bent, but it's okay. So I have this notebook that I write poems and short stories and lists and all kinds of stuff like that. Then I have another notebook that is my list only notebook. So I have like lists for, you know, different things I need to remember that I have in here. Then I have my journal. If you guys didn't know, I journal a lot. This is my 15th journal, I think, to complete in like 2 years. So I always carry my journal with me. Then I always carry my Kindle, and in case I want to read while I am out. And then I have my pen container that I actually made out of like a piece of cardboard. So it always keeps my pens in it. Right now I only have one in there. But, so that's my pen container. Then I have my coin purse. So this is actually a Vera Bradley coin purse as well. and I really like it because it has this pocket on the front that I keep all my gift cards and coupons in, and then inside of it I can keep, like, you know, coins and stuff. Then I have some more Altoids because I really like Altoids, and the Altoids strawberries are so good. Like, those are my favorite Altoids, but you can't find them everywhere, and if you do, they're rather expensive, so I don't buy them a lot. And then I also have this cute little pig coin purse thingy, and I carry 2 coin purses because I think this one is really cute, so I just carry that one too. Then I have my phone, and yes, I do have a BlackBerry, so yes, it's a BlackBerry and it's very old. And let's see, I think that's all. Oh wait, no. I have my retainer case because, you know, gotta have a place to put that mouth furniture. Then I have my sunglasses. I got these for like 25 cents at a resale shop, and they're like my lucky sunglasses. I can't ever seem to lose these things. I have lost them multiple times, but they've always come back to me, so they're pretty lucky. And, oh yeah, I have this headband that I had just thrown into my purse. So, this is all the stuff that was in my purse. So as you can see, I carry around quite a bit, but you know, you never know when you might need something, so it's always good to be prepared, peoples. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and now I'm just going to do a quick Pepper update. So Pepper is doing great. We have had her for nearly 7 weeks. She weighs 12 pounds, and she is 4 months old. And we just love her so much, and she's just the sweetest little thing, and we laugh every day at the funny stuff that she does, and it's just the coolest thing to see her little personality come out sometimes, and it's very, very cool. So there's been a few things that have been a bit out of the ordinary with Pepper, and one is that she has had a bit of a rash on her back that's really bad where her collar is and kind of goes down her back. And we took her to the vet, and the vet said that she had a staph infection, and they gave her a antibiotic shot, and it seems to be doing a lot better now. She did have a bit of a bad reaction to the antibiotic shot, and she ended up throwing up once, so that was not good, and she was a bit lethargic for a couple of days after she got that shot, but her back seems to be looking a lot better now. So that's the only thing that's been, you know, kind of worrisome with her. I was pretty worried about her because I didn't know if she had, you know, some kind of skin condition, but anyway, she's doing much better now. So yes, we just love having her, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of Pepper, and I will try to upload as often as I can, but with Pepper and school and everything that's going on now, it's getting a little bit busy, so I'll upload when I can, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Hey, Pepper. Pepper! Pepper! Is this your favorite spot to sit in the kitchen? You don't like to sit on the tile, do you? It's too cold.